First, what is a microbiome? Imagine a thriving neighborhood of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, archaea, and even viruses living alongside plants, animals, and humans. These tiny life forms coexist in places like the human gut, animal rumen, or the soil beneath us. In soil, the microbiome is like an invisible engine driving critical processes like nutrient cycling and decomposition. These microbes aren't just passengers, they're active partners in keeping ecosystems alive and balanced. Plants and animals don't just live with microbes, they actively recruit them. Plants release sugars and nutrients through their roots, like sending out invitations to beneficial microbes. In return, these microbes help plants grow stronger. Take nitrogen-fixing bacteria like rhizobium, which team up with legumes to turn atmospheric nitrogen into plant food, while getting nutrients back. Or mycorrhizal fungi, which extend plant roots to grab water and phosphorus in exchange for carbon. These relationships, symbiosis, commensalism, and sometimes competition, are like a dance of life, where every partner plays a role. Now, let's zoom into the rhizosphere, the lively zone around plant roots. This is where the soil microbiome works its magic. Microbes here break down organic matter, turning it into nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that plants can use. Picture a forest floor teeming with life. Forest soils are a perfect example of a thriving microbiome. They're packed with diverse microbes, bacteria, fungi, actinomycetes, that feast on organic matter like fallen leaves and wood. But in many croplands, this microbial magic is under threat. Intensive farming practices like heavy use of chemical fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides can wipe out microbial diversity. Monoculture and frequent tillage strip away organic matter, starving microbes. This weakens the soil's ability to cycle nutrients, leading to lower crop yields and a cycle of dependency on chemicals. When we harm the soil microbiome, we harm the foundation of our food system. The good news? We can bring soil microbiomes back to life with regenerative agriculture. Practices like conservation tillage protect microbial habitats by reducing soil disturbance. Integrating livestock adds nutrient-rich manure to feed microbes. Diversifying crops and reducing monoculture provides varied resources for microbial growth. Cover crops like legumes enrich the soil with organic matter, and biofertilizers give microbiomes a boost. These practices create living soils, teeming with microbes and ready to support thriving crops. A happy soil microbiome means living soils, and that's the key to a prosperous future. By restoring microbial diversity, we empower farmers, boost food security, and build resilient ecosystems. Healthy soils don't just grow crops. They grow wealth, sustainability, and a thriving nation. So let's nurture the unseen world beneath our feet and create a brighter, greener tomorrow.